Hey Fantastic family, welcome back to another video. Guys, today we are going to Lions Water Adventure in Kinston, North Carolina. Yes, we're going to have a roaring good time and we're taking you on the journey with us. So let's go. We made a quick stop at Bojangles. Hubby and I, we got the 3-piece wing dinner. The kids got the 3-piece supreme dinner. And guys, when you stop at Bojangles to get your food, don't forget to get that honey mustard sauce. Top tier. So after driving for a few hours, we finally made it to our destination. The kids are super excited about this. They love water parks. We have been to Carowinds and Wet and Wild, and they had a wonderful time. So let's see what this water park has to offer.
It's just like I already know how to swim, so like. Come.
A co-worker recommended this water park. She told me it was a lot of fun because it's not crowded, the lines are not long, so the kids would have a good experience. And here we are, and we're bringing you on the journey. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hubby and the boys are having fun in the pool, and I'm just sitting on the side with my feet in the water.
Every handshake. You got an oddly handshake.
Hubby's trying to figure out how to get him and Zai in the tube so they can enjoy the lazy river. Mom to the rescue, don't worry. The lazy river was so relaxing, I had to do it twice. And can I tell you, I met some friends along the way. They actually like the waterproof cell phone pouch that I had, and I was actually using it to record. So you can actually put your phone in, it's waterproof, and you just record along the way. And trust me, it looks amazing. Now it's time for us to go on the slide. RJ and I got tubes, and we are in line waiting to get on the slide. So until we get there, enjoy the view. Here's the view from another angle. Hubby was actually recording us. Now it's hubby's turn. And can I tell you how we had to convince him to try it? He doesn't like all this adventure. He's more of a pool person. So check it out. I caught it on camera, but the view was kind of blocked. But if you look at the black and white slide, you'll see RJ and Daddy coming down the slide. Look. Guys, it was an awesome adventure for the family. They also had cabanas if you want to just go and relax. So after 3 hours, it was time for us to go. We had so much fun. We enjoyed the lazy river, the pool, the water slide. Everything was just fantastic. Thank you all so much for watching our videos. And until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.